Hi, this is Shomondeep Ghosh. Today, my topic is reverse recovery characteristics of diode. So, in previous sessions, I have shown you for the p-type semiconductor, n-type semiconductor. So, if p-type and n-type is connected with each other, so therefore it will make a p-n junction diode. So, it may be for the forward bias and the reverse bias. So, before going to the topics, reverse recovery characteristics of diode, first of all, we have to know about simple VI characteristics of the diode. So briefly, I am explaining that one. See, this one, a diode symbol, and it is connected in a battery source. Right? It's connected with a battery source. So what will happen? The current is flowing on in this direction. This is a source voltage. This is for plus, this is minus. This is plus, this is minus. So what will happen here when anode is positive with respect to cathode? So diode is said to be forward biased. So what will happen here? I'm giving a VI characteristics. You can understand. So the curve is like this, right? So what does it here? This is suppose a source voltage that is increasing from the 0. When Vs is 0, I equals to 0. So when Vs increasing, the I will be increased, right? So that is one of a point is that is a cut in voltage. So in case of a silicon, that is 0.7 volt. So what is happening over here? See, from 0 to cut-in voltage, the diode current is very small here, right? So at the point of cut-in voltage, when it crossed the cut-in voltage, the diode current rises rapidly, right? So that is a forward bias condition. So at which from 0 to 0.7 there is a small current, but after that when it will cross the cut-in voltage, slightly crossed, the diode current rises rapidly. You can say that is also a forward current, right? IF I have written over there, right? So that is anode is positive with respect to cathode. So now in case of an opposite, what will happen? When anode is negative with respect to cathode, the diode is said to be reverse biased. So when it reverse biased, what will happen? Here the current will flow like this. Okay. So what will happen? This very concentratedly you listen first. Here, when the diode current is reverse bias, the voltage will be reversed. So this is the voltage in a positive direction. So the voltage is reversed. It will flow. It will go on this direction. So what will happen? A leakage current will flow at the reverse bias condition. It will be of a magnitude of few milliampere to the microampere, which is independent of the voltage. So what will happen? So when the diode is reverse biased, the diode current flowing in a reverse directions. How it is? Like here, when it is come to here, this point, it will be like this here, right? When it will be, this is the negative direction of current, right? It's a negative direction of the current. So what will happen? These voltage in a reverse direction increases up to a level that is called reverse breakdown voltage, right? So in reverse breakdown voltage, what will happen here? That is, I said VRRM, I will tell you. So what will happen at that moment? What will happen when reverse voltage is flowing in a reverse directions? The diode current is flowing in a reverse direction. So what will happen at the time of the reverse breakdown voltage? The diode current rises rapidly in the negative direction. So what will happen at that moment? Lot of heat will be produced, right? So there are lots of losses are there which can destroy the diode. So it will be operated, the diode will be operated at a specific reverse repetitive voltage, VRRM, to protect the diode. Simple. Okay, so that is a funda about the VI characteristics of the diode. Now what is very important, that is I'm writing here reverse recovery characteristics of diode. So I'm drawing a circuit is a waveform, you can understand. This one, okay. So here it is IF, this is VF, that is figure A, this is figure B, and this is figure C. Okay. So figure C, that is power loss in diode. Okay. So it will be look like this. See, when I'm writing this one, I will explain why I'm writing a straight line over here. See, so what we know in case of a general human being, when lots of labor hard, you just work hard in outside, it may be a physical labor, it may be a mental labor, brain performance, right? So you will be tired. So what happened? You have to take a rest. Then again, what will happen? Again you can work over there, because what we know for the biological terms of an amino acid is like a lactic acid is storing in our human body, so that when it will removed, so at that moment again we can also work over there. Similarly in case of a diode, so what happened here, some kind of storage charges, it will be pressure of the charges stored over there. So when it will removed, again the diode will be turned on. So what we know in case of our previous class 10, 11, 12, so diode can be turned on, but in reverse recovery characteristics of the diode, it explains when diode will be turned off, and after that it will again reopen, that will switch on the diode. So what will happen at that moment? So that is all describing in case of reverse recovery characteristics of the diode. So recovered of the diode turn on, from turn off to the turn on. Understand? So this is the straight line, indicates that one itself, this one, right here. When it comes to here itself, see, right? So that is the cut-in voltage. So it is what will happen in cut-in voltage, the current rises rapidly, right? And it is parallel to the y-axis, right? So it is a straight line here. So this straight line indicates that is a straight line. Okay. So what will happen again? This 0.7 in case of a silicon, it will become to a 0. So I will put it here, a 0 over here itself. Right, it come to 0, right? Now after that what will happen? it comes to 0 on these positions, because this from here to here itself. So what will happen here, again it will become to this like these positions. Understand? So why this is these things, I will tell you here. I will put a line. Okay, that is a 0 point. Another thing is that is here I can write, I will explain that one. Let me draw 1 by 4 IRM. IRM stand for peak reverse current. Peak reverse current. Right. So what will happen? This is the peak reverse current on this direction. This is the negative direction where the current is negative. So what I said over here, in case of a reverse breakdown voltage, the voltage is constant, but the reverse current suddenly rises rapidly. So there is a huge losses are there due to the high leakage reverse current in the reverse bias condition of the diode. So that will flow, the current will flow in the negative direction. So that is the direction at which it will be flow like this here. When it will come to that point itself, it is minimum from this IRM. From here it is come to this IRM, then this is this IRM, that is the peak reverse current. So it will be like this itself. So it will come like this. This is a voltage. Wait. Okay, understand? So this is for here to this one. So that means it is come from forward biased, come to the 0 positions, it will be this position to the 0 position. Then after that it will come to a reversed peak reverse current, that is called IRM. What happened? These reverse current will flow due to the pressure of storage charges in the depletion region as well as semiconductor layer. So I said here that is TA, right, and this is the TB. So what will happen at that moment? So when the diode current, forward diode current flowing in the reverse direction, initially point from 0 to 1 by 4, that is a 0.25 IRM. So at that moment the pressure of the storage charges will be removed, and the time taken to remove the charges is called the reverse recovery time. I was writing as ITRR. It stands for reverse recovery time. Okay, so what will happen here when it is come to like of a IRM, from 0 to IRM, the pressures of the storage charges in the depletion region, it will be removed. That is the time period is TA. It will be time this one, right? That is the TA, where the pressure of the depletion region, energy stored in the depletion region will be removed. Storage charges will be removed. And in case of IRM to 1 by 4 IRM, so that is on this portion the semiconductor layer charges will be removed. At that moment again the diode will be turned on. Again the diode will be turned on. It will come like this. So turn off, then after that turn on. So that is the reverse of the recovery of the diode. So when the storage charges in the depletion region and the semiconductor layer, it will be removed. At that moment the diode will be again turned on. Understand? So that is the reverse recovery characteristic of the diode. Another case I will tell you, TRR you can say as TA plus TV, right? So what will happen here? Another thing is the power loss. How the power loss? It will be like this. It will come like this. It will come like this. Here, that will be the diode charges are there, right? Okay. Here that's one, right? So that is actual the VF. Right. So this one you can understand. See. So that is, reverse recovery characteristic of diode. And the last one is that is called TB by TA. This is called as softness factor, right? So that is the reverse recovery characteristics of diode, and next day I will teach you the types of the diode, right? Today up to this much. Hope you can understand. Any query you can load over there itself in my sites, wherever my channel is there. Next day, tomorrow I can teach you the types of diodes. Okay, so today up to this much. Thank you. Thanks a lot.